Hi, Otto here. I'm a mobilizer and a political philosopher. Today I am raising a supplementary arguments on the issue of Balaalo. There is a presidential directive that the Balaalo must go. And we want to thank the president as the people of Acholi for coming out with a well thought out directive. We would want to advise all the Balaalo to leave Acholi land. We advise you to leave Acholi land. This is free advice. However, as educated people, there are four categories of issues that we must have to handle. One, there are those Balaalo who are staying on leased land. But the leased land are of two categories. They got customary land and they got leases from the customary land. This one we shall object because the lease must first be in the name of the landowner, then the landowner can sublease. There's a second category of Balaalos who got leases from owners, from individual owners, and the individual owners gave them leases. So when the lease expires, the land can revert back to the individual owner. This one we can engage. There is also a third category of Balaalos who are on freehold. People who have individual lands and they have titles and they own it in perpetuity. That one we seem not to have much locus as the local community. There are those Balaalo, the fourth category, who came with 700,000, 500,000. That's just the price of a bottle of black label. And they claim to have bought customary land. And they now say the land is theirs. That one you are lying. You are definitely lying. So let's comply with the presidential directive. When there is complete compliance, me, as Otto, I would vote for a verification committee so that we verify all these categories, those in the lease, those in the freehold, those who got leases out of customary land, and those who are in customary land. Because one size cannot fit everyone. I heard you say you are going to court to get an injunction. An injunction, the final injunction are the owners of the land who know where the anthill is. So let's comply. I would vote for a verification so that we can come out with a win-win situation. But if you come with your typical arrogancy, I saw some of you threatening me. For me, I already know Banyankole. Ninyendaye kugamba niwe. Hati, I am saying you comply. Because we don't want to mobilize our people. Amin tried to use force in Acholi. When the government of Amin fell, people descended and ate all those cows. If you need 10 livers, you kill 10 cows. So the final injunction owners and the final court owners, land owners are the people of Acholi. So we are ready to have a comprehensive verification of the categories. There are those who may not be affected. There are those who would have been affected. Customary land is not for sale. A family cannot sell land that belongs to a clan. That is fraud. And lastly, there are still 5 categories of Balaalo. There are Banyankole from Ankole. These are Ugandans. There are people from Rwanda, second category. There are people from Burundi. There are people from Congo. There are 11,000 headsmen that were chased from Tanzania. And lastly, there are people from South Sudan, Eritrea, and Ethiopia. And we are calling all of them Balaalo, which is a misnomer. So the verification will be to sort out all these categories. So for now, stop intimidation, stop threats. And if anything happens to us, all those cows and you people in the north will not cross back. Let's be civil, let's follow the law. Look me up. I don't need to go to any basement to learn Banyankole. I can even join the ordinary Banyankole Equatorial Association. I don't need to learn any other Banyankole. The one I know is already enough. Thank you.